The automatic complex IntelleMix is one of the most interesting machines for the production of biscuits. Over a dozen designers worked on its development. Over a year of experiments and tests were needed to put the designers' ideas into reality. The creators of the machine believe that in the ideas of innovation, IntelleMix has not only surpassed all popular machines in the production of biscuits, but also the expectations of the creators themselves. Even during the designing stage of the predecessor of IntelleMix, the well-known complex IntelleDrop, an idea cropped up to simultaneously drop dough of different color. In general, the operation of the machine can be described in the following way. Two types of dough of different color are put into two bunkers. It should be noted that instead of one type of dough for the formation of certain items, we can use thermostable filling. Under pressure, both kinds of dough are pressed into the head and along separate channels and find themselves in tips or plates for string cutting. The further fate of the dough is determined by technology and method of formation. Formation with the method of strip cutting, the different colored mass is cut by a strip and is dropped onto the surface of a sheet. Most interesting is the question of dropping. The cylinder with two kinds of dough can simply rest on the surface of a sheet. With the application of a turning mechanism, the mass is turned, forming a new shape of the item. Besides, during the dropping operation, the table can be turned, on which the dropping is made, and in this way receive items of elongated shape. During the dropping process, the table can be lowered to any height and in this way regulate the height of the item. There are interesting possibilities when changing the correlation of time and speed of dropping one type of dough in relation to the other. In this way, one type of dough can be hidden in the other. Dropping can be made of items which consist of various colors. The possibility of fantasy is unlimited. The complex is controlled by a color touchscreen display. Computer control is executed in the best traditions of the Fisk company. Clear shortcuts and convenient logical transitions from one screen to another make the work of the operator easy and pleasant. Like in all previous models, all events are fixed in the register and accessible to the operator at any time. As in the latest models of IntelleDrop, the design of the complex IntelleMix envisages feeding the sheet and receiving shaped items from both sides. If the machine is controlled by one operator, he can feed the sheet and receive semi-finished items from the computer panel. If the speed of dropping is high, or for example, formation by the method of string cutting, the operator may supply the sheet from the face side, and the assistant can receive the sheet with shaped items from the other side. Also envisaged is an emergency stop of the complex when sensors are activated, when alien objects fall into the working zone. According to the creators of the complex, another important peculiarity is the possibility of dropping same-colored items from one bunker. That is a more simplified use of the complex. In this way, the owner of IntelleMix receives a complex of two in one. The new machine, besides innovation, fully retains all functions and capabilities of its predecessor, IntelleDrop. The IntelleMix complex has been built in a new style. The designers have substantially lowered the weight of the machine by using new super lightweight material and parts. The lifting mechanism of the table has been removed from under the table and placed in the side compartment. Like all the equipment of the Fisk company, the complex is outfitted with energy supply of ABB Germany, drive Motovario Italy, and electron firm Omron Japan. We would like to note the most outstanding feature of IntelleMix in our opinion. According to market experts, at the time of the development of the first complex, it was first presented at the exhibition Prod Expo in February 2002. The items produced by the complex IntelleMix in beauty and originality does not have and will not have any competition in the coming 2 to 3 years.